Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Do you have leftover chapati dough and you are bored eating chapatis? Chalo then, let's make something new with it, which is crunchy, spicy, and tasty to eat. Firstly, take chapati dough, take small chunks, roll it with your hand, and keep it aside. Repeat the same process. Take chapati balan, spread wheat flour throughout it. Take hand knead chunk and flatten it using roller. Cut it into a pieces. You can cut it as square shape or diamond shape as you like. I am cutting these pieces into a square shape. Transfer this into a plate. Take a pan, pour oil for deep fry. Let's check if it's ready. If it's ready, deep fry all pieces until it turns golden brown color. Once it's done, transfer it into a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons chili powder, salt as per taste, and give it a good mix. Chapati chips are ready to eat. You can store this as well. Try this recipe at your home and let me know in comment box. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.